I'm going to show you how to get a free Power Apps developer account, and don't worry, you do not need a work account or a university account, just any old email, and you will need a credit card, but don't worry, it won't charge you. The journey begins at azure.microsoft.com. When you come here, click on Pay As You Go. Trust me, you're not actually going to be paying. You can use any old Outlook account, just don't use your work one. Use some personal Outlook account. If you don't have one or are unsure, just come in here into Create One. So I'm going to sign in. Fill out all of this info with who you are. Click Next. Click Next. And here you enter your credit card information. Don't freak out, it's not going to charge you. It just needs to have a card on file. You will be suggested different offerings, but select no technical support. Now you have an Azure account. Step 2. Because you made this account through a personal account, the user you have is still considered personal. You need to make a work user. Luckily, it's not hard. Come in here and type in Entra. Go under Add, select user, give them a display name. Change the password to whatever you want. The fact that this is the auto-generated password is hilarious if you know Spanish. That's just something you can't make up. I'm going to put this in my clipboard because I'm going to need it later. After I click Create, I get this page just to confirm it. Now I hit Create. Cool, I got my user. Next, I'm going to go under Manage, and then I'm going to click on Users again. And I'm going to click on the new account I just made. And I'm going to click on Assigned Roles. I'm going to click Add Assignment. And let's type in one that says Global Administrator. Click Add. And then it should say Successfully Added. Then I'm going to go to this URL of Microsoft.com Power Platform Products Power App /free. Or you can Google Power Apps Developer Plan. I'm going to click Start Free. I'm going to copy the email from the guy we got earlier. I'm going to paste that in here. Click the checkbox. Click Start Free. I'm going to sign in. It will prompt you to use MFA. If you don't want to use MFA, of course we have a video on that showing you how to set that up. Then you'll be shoved back to this screen. And then you'll end up at this one and you're in the home stretch. So click Get Started. Ta-da! We have our Power Platform environment. Let's hop over to Solutions. There we go. And to truly prove this works, I'm just going to quickly make a new table. I need a table to track all the amazing things I can learn from Untethered 365. Let's hit Generate. Because if this environment isn't properly configured with Dataverse, this will actually stop me. I'm going to click Save and Exit. Yep, it made it. We're good. Special thanks to Josh Killedy from Platform Plus Solutions. If you need a nice follow-along way to do this that you can send your coworkers, I'm going to link to his blog below. It walked through all of these steps. It also goes into if you want to set up your own domain, as well as how to get past this limitation where you only get 3 Power Apps developer environments on a single Azure tenant. He shows how to get around that. Very cool stuff. And of course, if you want to be the absolute best at Power Platform and Azure, you can come join one of our trainings.